this video, I'm going to swap the MG blinker sockets from the old style to the new ones. And the reason for this is because this has some kind of finicky connections that doesn't allow the wires to consistently send power to the bulb. So I'm having an issue where the blinkers aren't working, and unfortunately I need to pass an inspection. So I bought a newer one that has wires already attached, and that hopefully will save me. So we're gonna pull out the old socket, which is located right inside here. We're gonna install the new ones that consists of these wires right here. Let's give this a whirl, shall we? So what I've done right now is slipped one of these sockets into this housing right here, this chrome housing. While doing so, I needed to actually slip the wires through a specific hole in this gasket. It's kind of an old gasket that's a little bit brittle there, but I'm going to reuse it, and that's what helps prevent like some wear and tear on the actual fender. And the wires need to go through that and then through the hole in the fender. You can see it's kind of going straight through there. So that is something that needs to all happen in one. And I'm gonna kind of hold it down like this. So I have a couple bolts, and they're actually going to thread right into the new socket. However, it needs to, of course, go through the car. Down bottom here. So I should probably get some washers to put on this thing. Alrighty, let's give this a whirl. It's actually kind of hard to hold it in place and thread up the bolts, but you know, what's working on cars without an unforeseen challenge? By the way, if you haven't seen episode 3, where we road tripped this thing immediately after we built it, just to go find a moose, check that out. It's in that upper right corner. I'll link that up there for you. The back part is not staying down far enough, so I'm trying to hold it down with a screwdriver. Let's see how that works. Okay, front bolt in. Now we struggle on the back one. See, now it only took me 4 decades. But it's now on. The other side better be easier than that. That's all I'm saying. So right now I'm stripping the wires. So naturally I forgot to do that before I installed it. But I'm stripping the new wires a little bit so I can connect them to the existing wiring in the car that was already run previously with a connector that I have somewhere around here. And a crimping tool to crimp the two together. Last time I checked, we want red to red and black to black. Connecting the wires is the annoying part, because I didn't prep for this beforehand, so I have to do it all under the fender in a tight little spot with big hand tools. I'm trying to count how many times we've done these blinkers. I think 4 times we've done these blinkers, which is just 4 too many. Alrighty. Those are crimped. It's time to test this bulb. See if this thing works. Wow. Front blinker, back blinker. Front blinker, back blinker. That is amazing. Well, all it took was some actual wiring because, like I said, these old sockets kind of had a push-on style that didn't really hold the wire firm. So although it held in the bulb okay and the threads were okay in the actual mount, this little piece went inside that chrome bullet and was preventing my blinkers from blinking. So this is junk. Go in the collectibles bin, and now we have new blinkers to hopefully hit the road and film another video in this 1952 MG. I'm not wearing my MG shirt today, but if you want to go check out the merch we have on our website, go to burnoutshow.com. You can see cars like this one and the rest of our fleet all over merchandise that we have for sale on burnoutshow.com, as well as plenty of other information that all revolves around cars and our channel. So check out the website. It takes 2 seconds. It's a lot of fun. And if you're into cars, then that's the place for you. But be sure to check out the merchandise along the way. Once again, there is MG merch as well, so go give us some love. We appreciate the support in any way, even just watching our videos. Thank you for tuning in, as these blinkers are now, hopefully for the last time, gonna be fixed, and you will definitely be seeing this MG in more videos in the future. So be sure to like the video down below, definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you next time. You know what's great? I don't even use turn signals in this car. I just use my hand signals everywhere I go, because the turn signals are so small that people don't really see them. So why am I even doing this?